Hi, this is Dr. JMR chemistry class. Today I am going to explain about bonds. Generally, chemical bond is mainly classified into two parts. What are they? Number one, transfer of electrons. Number two, sharing of electrons. Chemical bond is classified into two bonds, two types. They are nothing but two types. One, transfer of electrons. Number two, sharing of electrons. Transfer of electrons, best example, that is ionic bond. Next, sharing of electrons, that is two types. One is covalent bond and the one is coordinate covalent bond. This coordinate covalent bond is also known as dative bond. Number one, ionic bond. Number two, covalent bond and coordinate covalent bond or dative bond. Like this. Now, we'll go through in detail about ionic bond. What is ionic bond? The name itself, it indicates ionic, means a bond is formed between two ions. A bond is formed two ions by complete transfer of electrons. So this is known as what? A ionic bond. What is the actual definition? The electrostatic force means naturally one plus is attracted by one minus. Naturally some force of attraction that exists between two ions. They are known as iso, means they are electrostatic force of attraction. I will explain in detail. Generally, in ionic bond, first always you have to write positive ion first. Means, best example and simple example I would like to take, sodium chloride, NaCl. This is formed between one metal and a non-metal. This is formed between metal and a non-metal. Why? What is the reason behind that? Metal is always ready to donate. Non-metal is always attract electrons. One is plus and the one is minus. Metals are always ready to donate. Non-metals always ready to accept. So that is why what happened? A bond is formed. What do you mean by friendship? Friendship is nothing but you are giving chocolates. You are donor. And the one is accepting. So that is called friendship. Means chocolate donor. And another boy is ready to accept. So that is why bond is exist between one boy and another boy. That is called friendship. Exchange of what? Notebooks, knowledge. That is friendship. Similarly, here also ionic bond means a bond is formed between one metal and non-metal. Best example, NaCl. Generally, we will write electronic configuration of sodium, then chlorine, then we will proceed further. That is why you have to learn electronic configuration, very, very, very important. Because in the chemical bonding, electronic configuration, each and every movement plays a major role. So that is why you have to learn 1 to 30 electronic configuration compulsory. So automatically you will get this chapter, means writing a chemical formula and respect to ions are very easy. So here now atomic number of sodium, that is Na, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. Why? It contains 11 electrons, 2 plus 6 plus 1. So total here 11. Atomic number is 11. So I am giving importance to only valency shell. Why? Valency shell electrons will take part in the chemical bond formation. So that is why here third shell, it contains how many shells? First shell contains 2 electrons, second shell contains 8 electrons, third shell contains only one electron. Is it stable? No, this is unstable. Already I explained about octet rule. Octet means it must contain 8 electrons, but it contains only one electron. It is unstable. How it will become stable? By accepting or by donating electrons. It contains 8 electrons or 8 electrons in their valency shell. Okay, then we'll go for 17, that is chlorine. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, then 3p5. Here first shell contains 2 electrons, second shell contains 8 electrons, third shell contains 7 electrons. So here I would like to give more importance to valency shell, that is outermost shell. It contains how many electrons? 7 electrons. Why? It will take part in the chemical bond formation. It is stable. Chlorine atom is stable? No, it is unstable. Why? It contains only 7 electrons. It needs 1 electron to become what? Stable electronic configuration. So, chlorine required 1 electron to become stable or octet electronic configuration. Now, here sodium contains only 1 electron in the valency shell. It is very difficult to attract 7 electrons. More energy is needed. So that is why it is ready to donate and convert into stable. Now, Na contains only 1 electron. Why? It is ready to take part in the chemical bond formation. You have to represent only one dot. Then plus, according to Lewis electron dot method, that also I explained in last video. Then chlorine. Chlorine contains 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this. Means you represent only valence shell electrons. So now here electronic configuration is 3s1. Why you are writing only 3s1? So it will take part in the chemical bond formation. So that is why I am giving importance to sodium atom. Then what about chlorine? Chlorine contains 7. So that is why here I would like to write 3s2, 3p5. I am giving more importance to valence shell, outermost shell. So like this. Now it is ready to donate. It is ready to accept. Why? By accepting, it is converted into Cl minus. Again here 3s2, 3p6 means it is converted into 8. Mean to become what? Stable. Chlorine will become chloride. It will become stable. So that is why it is stable. Then what about this sodium? Sodium, by donating this electron, it will become stable. How? Na, by donating this electron, it contains 8 electrons. So Na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you put 8 or not, that is if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. This is negative. It will carry negative and it will carry positive. Plus and minus. Don't write anything between Na plus and Cl minus. Here one positive, Na positive. Why? By donating only one electron, naturally you will get only plus 1. By accepting only one electron, it is converted to minus 1. It is ready to donate and it is ready to accept. Means one positive, negative. Means naturally they are having what? Some force of attraction. That force is known as, very important terminology, electrostatic force of attraction. Electrostatic force of attraction that exists between two ions. So like this, by complete transfer of electrons to become what? Their respective ions. This bond is known as ionic bond. It is also known as electrovalent bond. Ionic bond is also known as electrovalent bond. So like this here, by transfer of electrons, it will become stable. Now electronic configuration is 2s2, 2p6. Why? It will become stable, 8 electrons. By donating this electron, it will become stable. So by accepting, it is also stable. So this metal, sodium is a metal, naturally first A, 1A group element. So that is why it contains 1 electron. Why? It belongs to 1A group. So that is why is s orbital. it contains one electron, so it is ready to donate, it is ready to accept, so like this ionic bond is formed. This is a very beautiful and one of the important example. So like this here what happened? What is the electronic means definition of ionic bond? The electrostatic force of attraction that exists between two ions or two atoms by complete transfer of electrons is known as ionic bond. So thank you very much. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చిందంటే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి and also comment చేయండి. If you want any videos, please comment. Definitely I will upload. Thank you.